Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramulu. So before watching this video, please subscribe and like it. Don't forget forwarding this message, this video to your friends also. It is very helpful for you. And now today's topic is rectangular potential barrier. Rectangular potential barrier, right? So here, if a particle is impinging on a barrier with energy less than the height of the potential barrier, right? So impinging means what? Impinging means its effect. Okay, if a particle is affecting on a barrier with energy less than the height of the potential barrier, it will not necessarily totally be reflected by the barrier, but there is always a probability that it may cross the barrier and continue its forward motion. See here, if a particle is impinging, so here the particle is coming from this direction and is continuously striking on a barrier with energy less than the height of the potential barrier. So its height energy is very much higher than the energy of the particle. For example, its energy is 20 electron volts. Then a particle which is coming from this side, it may have the lead 15 electron volts. So this much of energy particle cannot cross this barrier. If this particle want to cross this barrier, then it requires a minimum energy is 20 electron volts. And generally energy will be measured in terms of electron volts. Okay, so it is impossible, that is according to classical mechanics only, it is impossible to cross the particle through this potential barrier which has a higher energy than the energy of the particle. But here next, but it is possible with quantum mechanically, so we apply quantum mechanical ladder. Okay, height of the, it will not necessarily totally be reflected, right? It cannot reflect in backward direction, so in this direction it cannot reflect by the barrier, but there is always a probability that it may cross the barrier and continue its forward motion. But there is a probability means there is a chance for the particle to penetrate through this barrier and to come outside, okay, to come other side. So that is a chance. Okay, and the next, consider a particle is inclined on the barrier of the type shown in figure. So see the barrier, what type of barrier? This barrier is a shape is a rectangular shape, so that is why the name has come rectangular shape this. Okay, and next, such that the energy of the particle is less than V naught, where V naught is the energy of the potential barrier, right? Okay, and here let it is origin, it is a y-axis and it is a x-axis, let it is origin. Okay, and this side we take general negative values and this side we take positive values, so that is I will explain here. V of x is equals to 0 for x is less than 0 in the region 1. Here this is divided into 3 region. It is a first region, potential barrier second region, and this side is a third region. But first region and third regions are same region. So if it is air medium, then it is also air medium. If it is a glass medium, it is also glass medium, right? So medium 1 and a medium 3 are region 1 and region 3 are same, but region 2 is different here. Here the V of x is equals to V naught, means it is a maximum value, or it is a maximum value for x is 0 is less than x is less than a. So when the potential energy is V naught, when x value lies in between 0 and a, that means it is 0 and a. So in this region only its value is how much? V naught. Potential is V naught. In the region 3, see V of x is equals to 0 for x greater than a. X, see here up from here to here a value is a, but beyond this is x value must be greater than the a, and this side x value must be less than a. So less than 0 it is less than 0, this side is greater than 0, greater than a, less than 0, greater than a. What value? X value. But x here that in between the x, if the x value is in between the 0 and a, there is a potential energy, how much? That is a V naught, but this side is 0 and this side is 0. Next, according to classical theory, as the energy of the particle is less than the height of the potential, means when it is like this in the region 1, the particle can never penetrate the region 2 and cannot appear in the region 3. That is the meaning of this. Okay. According to classical mechanics, what they are saying, if the energy of the particle is less than the height of the potential barrier, then particle cannot penetrate through this through this rectangular barrier, and it cannot appear this side, right? Particle can never penetrate the region 2 and cannot appear, that is meaning of this, cannot appear in the region 3. Okay, it cannot appear this side, but there is a chance. But quantum mechanically a fraction of particle incident from the left has some probability to cross the barrier and appear in the region 3. Okay, so according to quantum mechanically, when a wave is coming or particle is coming, there is a chance, there is a probability to penetrate this and appear this side. Okay, so region 1 can the particle which is present in the region 1 partly may appear in the region 3. Okay, and means they penetrate region 2. So the transmission probability can be calculated in the following way. So transmission means how many particles are penetrating through this barrier and appearing outside in the region 3. So we are going to calculate transmission probability, okay, for the potential barrier, rectangular potential barrier. For this, what I am doing, I am going to apply the Schrodinger time independent wave equation for 3 regions. Okay, for 3 region 1 and region 1, region 2 and region 3. So here Schrodinger wave equation for the region 1 is given by, generally Schrodinger wave equation is what? We know the Schrodinger wave equation for one dimension only. So it is x is given means one dimension. I am not writing 3 dimension, one dimension is taken. Why? The particle is moving in this direction only along the x axis. So one dimension is taken. So for the one dimension, what? D square psi by dx square plus 2m by h cut square into e minus v into psi is equals to 0. It is the equation. Okay. But here what is written? There is no v term, means in the place of v in the region 1, the place of v what? Value is 0. Okay. In the region 1, potential energy is 0. Region 1. In the region 1, see here, it is the region 1. Potential energy is how much? 0. In the region 1 and in the region 3, potential energy is 0. But in region 2, we get this one. Okay. And whatever coefficient present with the psi in 1, so take that as one constant terms, that is a k1 square I am taking. Okay. So whatever value present with the multiplication of the psi 1, so what value present? That is a 2m by h cut square into e is there. So totally this value is taken as one single term, that is what? K1 square. Okay. So here the k1 square is taken for in the place of 2m by h cut square into e. So it is, see, now the equation 1 is a second order differential equation. For the second order differential equation, we have a solution for this is as psi 1 is equals to a1 e power of I k1x plus b1 e power of minus I k1x, right? It is solution. And here the two terms are taken. Why the two terms are taken? Listen. So here the plus term is there, e power of plus I k1x. K1 1 is this term constant. The term k1 e power of I k1x represent the wave advancing in the positive direction of x. Means it indicates incident wave. That is the meaning of this incident wave. Incident wave. Okay. So next term it indicates here the minus means it's coming backward direction. Backward direction means reflected wave. Okay. So in reverse direction, suppose incident wave is going this direction and a reflected wave may come opposite to this one. So opposite we write it as a minus. So because of that only here the minus is taken. Right here minus. Now but both are possible in the region 1. Yes. In the region 1 it is a square, it is what rectangular potential, and the wave is going this direction, and the wave may particle may strike and it may come backward direction, means in the same region. So this way we call reflected and it is incident. So it possible, both are possible, this case is possible, right? The situation is shown in the figure. So in this figure this situation is showing, and see Schrodinger wave equation. Next for the region 2 I am implementing this region. Equation is for the Schrodinger wave equation for the region 2 is given by, so dou square psi by dou x square plus 2m by h square e minus v naught into e minus v naught into psi 2. Here this term is taken complete. Why? Because here the potential energy we have, that is how much? V naught. But condition is what? E is less than V naught. So V naught value is very much high comparing to the energy of the particle. Okay. So then which is higher, that must be positive, and which is lower, that must be negative. So here the E is positive, here V naught is negative. But V naught is, I told you, it is greater than the E. Right? Then take outside minus term. Then this come this side and this come this side. So this is we get. Okay. And a multiplication of psi 2, whatever things present, take that is as one constant, and take, already we have taken that side constant as k1 square. Now I am going to take constant as k2 square, second constant, or in the region 2 that indicates. Okay, minus as it is only. Now where k2 square is what? 2m by h square e minus v naught. The solution, it is also second order differential equation. For this we get two waves. Okay, this is, and inside also there is a chance to reflected in backward direction, inside of the potential value. So that is why here also we have taken two values. The Schrodinger wave equation for the region 3. See third region. In the region 3 potential energy is 0. So in the place of V we have substituted 0. Then we get this one. Okay. And already we have, see the constant psi constant, what we have already, we have taken it as a k1 square. But in the region 3 we are going to take it as a k3 square. Okay, but k3 and k1 both are same. Okay. That is this condition is written like this. In the region we have only a wave going to the right. Okay, in this region, see it is a third region. In the first region we may reflect in backward direction. In the second region also it may reflect in backward. But third region there is no chance to reflect backward direction. So there is a chance to move in forward direction only. So for this we have taken only one, that is a plus term we have taken, e power of I plus I is taken because it indicates a forward direction or positive direction of x-axis. No other quantity is taken because here cannot reflect. Particle cannot reflect. So to solve for the constants a1, 2, 3, b1 and b2, we apply the boundary conditions. So in three equations we have taken the different constants. We have taken the equation 1, we have taken a1 and b1, equation 2 a2 and b2, But in equation 3, just A3 is taken. Why? Because there is no reflected wave. Okay. So boundary conditions. What are the boundary conditions? The continuity conditions of the function and its derivative at x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to are expressed as. What are the at x is equal to 0? Here it is at x is equal to 0 and this is at x is equal to a. Okay, in between this region only we have to apply to get the boundary conditions, to get the constant terms. In the now see, psi 1 and psi 2 are equated, psi 2 and psi 3 are equated. So wave first comes from psi 1 means region 1 and enter into the region 2. Next from region 2 to region 3, that is the condition. So like this condition. Okay, here the psi 1 and psi 2, psi 1 is equal to psi 2 and here psi 2. Psi 1 and psi 2 are at what value? At x is equal to 0 and psi 2 and psi 3 are at what value? At x is equal to a value we have going to apply. It is a continuity conditions. Next, their derivations. Their derivation is like this. Their derivation, first derivative. Okay. And see here, if you substitute the x term 0 in the equation, x term 0 in the equation, what equation we have? See here in the equation 1. See the equation 1, in the equation 1, where is the equation 1? Sorry, equation 2. So in the solution, equation 1 solution, 2, it's a solution. See, in this equation if you substitute x value is 0, then what you get? E power of 0 and e power of 0. E power of 0, what value? E power of 0 is 1. E power of 0 is 1. So psi 1, what value have got? Here a1 you got plus b1 you got. Okay, next. In the equation, next equation solution is what? Second region solution. It is a solution for second region. In the second region also what you have to do? You have to apply the x value 0. X value 0, if you substitute this term is e power of term 0, e power of term 0. E power of 0 is how much? 1. So a2 plus b2 we get. So first time what we got? a1 plus b1 we got. And the next time what we got? a2 plus b2. Okay. So but condition is what? Psi 1 at x is equals to 0 is equals to psi 2 at x is equals to 0. So that means these two equations are equal. That is the meaning of this. So that is we have done where here. This is like this only we got. In the same manner, substitute x is equals to a and x is equals to a in equation 2, psi 2 and in the solution of the psi 3, then what you get? You may get this equation. Alright. So already we got by substituting the x equals 0. And if you substitute x is equals to a, then you get this equation. Okay. And next time what you have to do? You have to differentiate. Right? You have to differentiate. By differentiating, what you get? So first we have to differentiate psi 1 term and psi 2 term, equate them. After equating, substitute x value is 0 and x value is 0, then you get this one. Next time also psi 2 and for the psi 2 and psi 3, first differentiate them one time. Okay, and then substitute in the place of x as a and equate them, those two equations, then you get this one. So like this, so we get the equation 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 equations we get by doing this process. Okay, here also you have the 4 equations. See, it is one equation, it is one equation, it is another, it is another. Here without differentiation 2 equations and with one differentiation 2 equations. So then without differentiation 1 and 2 we get, with the differentiation we get this and this equation. Okay, do it if you have any doubt. So if you do it, you can get idea and you can get knowledge also. It is very useful for you without practicing, if you practice like this. Next, solve the equation 4 and 5. What are the equation 4? See, the equation 4 is this one and equation 5 is this one. So if you solve the equation 4 and 5, by solving equation 4 and 5, what you get here? A1 and A1, A2, A1, A2, B1, three different terms are there. So here we get A1 and B1 as in terms of B2 and A2 only. Okay. So A1 by solving these two equations. So how we solve? Generally we solve x plus y is equals to 2 and then x minus 2y is equals to 3. Such equation what we will do? We will get cancel any one of these two. Then you may get it is in terms of y only. Then you can easily get y terms. So if you substitute the y term in any one of the equation, then you can get x terms. So in the same manner, if you solve 4 and 5, you get these two equation. And next 6 and 7, then you get these two equations. So like this we get again 4 equations. Okay, so a1 a2 a1 b1 we get first, and next a2 b2 we get next. And see here, so let this equations 8 and it is 9, it is 10 and 11. Neglecting term a2 term from the equation 8. In the equation 8, a2 term if you neglect this term, then what you get? a1 is equals to only this term you get. Okay, a1 what you get? 1 plus k2 by ik2 by k1 into b2 by 2. Substitute this a1 term, substituting the value of b2 from the 11 equation in 12th equation. So 11th equation b2 term already you got. Okay, by neglecting the a2 term we got one more equation. This is okay, by neglecting a2 term we got equation as 12, and there is already it is a1 is in terms of b2 only, and already we got the b2 equation. So substitute this b2 equation in a1 equation, then you get this one. Just take and copy paste here. Okay, so here it is pasted, and now here 1 by 2 is there, and here a3 by 2. See once again clearly, here 1 by 2, a3 by 2. So by 2 become by 4, and 1 into a3 only, and this bracket and this bracket written as it is here, and this is also copy pasted here. Okay, the density of incident particle in the region I, in the region 1, not I, in the region 1 is a1 square. What is the meaning of density in the region 1? So in the region 1 only number of particles comes. So within the small volume how many particles are coming or presenting, that indicates what? Density. Okay, if these particles are having the velocity in the small region, if they are having the velocity, if they are traveling the small region, then we consider that is as a flux. Okay, flux. Once again, there if you take a small unit volume, and in that volume how many particles are presenting, this region is called density. Okay, density of the particle. And if the particles are moving with a velocity v, okay, in this region, in this region only, then that is called flux. Okay, now see the density of incident particle in the region 1 is mod of a1 square. Mod why we are taking means, if you get the negative terms, then that time we take it as a positive one. For getting the positive value we have to take mod, and then v1 is the velocity of the particle in the region 1. The incident flux means incident coming, how many particles are coming, that is in the small region, in the unit volume, that is a flux. That will be, incident flux will be a1 mod of a1 square into v1. Their product is what? Flux we call. Okay, but here a1 means it indicates the first region means incident flux only. If it is a2, that is a transmit, that is a what? Penetrating. Next a3, that is a transmitting. Okay, that region depending upon the what constant term only we say whether the particle belongs to which, in which region. And now similarly the transmitted flux will be this one. So how much incident flux present, transmitted flux also same. Why? Because the regions are numbering are different. Region 1 number and region number 3s are different, but both are same. Okay, so left side of the rectangular potential barrier, whatever region present, whatever things present, and the right side also same region present. These two regions are same. Thus the probability of transmission of a individual particle through the barrier is, this is a transmission probability formula. What is that? Of incident flux, transmitted flux by incident flux. It is a A3 is a transmitted flux. Here you have to write here A3 only, not A1. It is a A3. Okay, it is an incident flux, it is a transmitted flux A3. Okay, so transmitted flux by incident flux is called transmission probability, and V1 gets cancelled. Then amplitude square means it is what? A density in the region 3 by density in the region R, density of the particle in the region 3 by density of the particle in the region 1 is also called as a transmission probability. And now from the equation 12, if you substitute values A1 and A3, already you have the A1 and A1 terms. Okay, if you substitute only A1 term only, you have to substitute only A1 term, then A3 will get cancelled there. Okay, so A1 term in the place of if you substitute here A1 term, then A3 already in equation A1 you may present A3 gets cancelled, then this is the equation. Okay, so by solving that we get this one. But here K1 and K2 terms, if you substitute and if you simplify, we get final equation. What terms you have to say? What term you have to substitute? K1 and K2 term. Okay, so if you substitute these two terms here and here, and if you simplify, then finally what you get? Then you get this one. Okay, so next here the exponential term, it is an exponential term, coefficient whatever you have. So its value is how much, you know, it is approximately 1 only. Okay, what is saying in terms of policy? The quantity 16E into V naught minus E by V naught square is never very far from 1. Means it is a it is a nearly 1, it is its indicate, it never very far from. So it is not far away from the 1 value, so it is a very near to the 1 value. That is the meaning of this. So in the place of this, what we have substituted 1. Okay, why? It is never very far from 1, so it means it is 1. That is the meaning of this. So here if you substitute 1, then we get this term only. So this is the term. And here let me substitute the constant terms. Okay, whatever value you have with the multiplication of the 2, take it as the beta. So then transmission probability can be written as T is equals to e power of minus 2 beta into A also. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, sorry, here A is written, not A, cannot present A here. Why? Already A is there, so 2 into 2 is also can't present. Okay, 2 can't present, only 2m V naught by, right? What things you have to write? So these two things cannot present, already here those two terms, so only 2m V naught minus E by h cut square present, right? So thank you friends, don't forget subscribing this video.